In this demo video, we present MindMiner, or M squared, a mixed initiative interface and visualization techniques for interactive distance metric learning and its application in peer review understanding. Cluster analysis is the task of combining objects with similar properties into groups and is widely adopted in exploratory data mining. However, most clustering techniques face one key challenge when being used in real-world applications. The clustering algorithm expects a quantitative deterministic distance measurement method to decide the similarity between two samples. At the same time, such similarity measurement usually includes subjective domain knowledge in users' mind that is hard to explain. To address this challenge, we present an interactive machine learning interface, MindMiner, to collect users' domain knowledge on sample similarity based on two techniques: active polling with uncertainty and example-based constraint collection. MindMiner then learns a user's conceptual model of sample similarity via both interactive visualization and a convex optimization technique. The distance metrics learned by M squared are then used by k-means clustering algorithm to interactively get a meaningful clustering result. MindMiner is composed of three main areas: the active polling panel, the visualization workspace, and the constraint sidebar. The current interface shows a university-level velocity class with 23 students and 4 writing assignments. Each assignment has 3 measurement dimensions: accuracy, clarity, and insight. We now show how MindMiner works in a real-world task that helps the instructor in this class to categorize students with similar writing performance and writing styles into different groups and give customized feedback for each group. The instructor first uses the active polling with uncertainty feature to set his subjective opinions on the importance of each measurement dimension for writing performance similarity. The instructor can indicate not sure if he is not sure about the importance of certain dimensions. Then the instructor can teach MindMiner his subjective knowledge on performance similarity of students by showing the system some examples. Dashed lines are system suggestions. They are automatically selected by the system as the most informative pairs. The instructor checks these two students and finds that they are similar, especially for the last assignment. So the instructor drags them together, and that creates a must link between these two students. Once there is a new constraint, our distance metric learning algorithm executes and updates the distance metric. We can see through the weight bars that the weights of the last assignment increased after he added the first constraint. Now the instructor adds another constraint. After that, he clicks the group button. The system returns the clustering results by applying the updated distance metric to the k-means clustering algorithm. The instructor checks the results and finds it is not very relevant to what he thought, so he clicks the suggestions button to add more constraints. The system returns new constraint suggestions. The instructor adds a cannot link between these two students. The system gives a warning because it introduces a confliction. He checks these two and deletes the previous one. Now the instructor checked automatic regroup. In this mode, the group button is disabled, and once there's a new constraint, our learning algorithm executes and the system automatically regroups the students based on the most updated distance metric. The instructor can continue this iterative process by adding new constraints, deleting existing constraints, or adjusting important levels of dimensions, etc., until he gets satisfactory clustering results.